Mazda 6 2016 year engine, GJ, 2.2 liter diesel, and we have constantly fault about oil pressure. The oil level is on the is correct, and the car has no acceleration. The accelerator doesn't respond at all. It's like switched off by computer. So we need to replace the oil pressure sensor or switch. It's called with different names, but that's the same thing. And the sensor is down there. I will attach some photos of it, pictures. It's difficult to get to it, so two ways: or to remove the coolant reservoir, which might be tricky because we have electric cables running here, or we need to remove this pipe here, and it shouldn't be that difficult to be able to get underneath and remove that sensor, which I can see it from here. It has yellow clip underneath, but yeah, it's not easy to see it from here. You need proper angle and light, but definitely it's there. I will remove it and we'll see if that fixes my problem.